So this is the West Valley National Park, and people come here because of that island on top, right side ng konti. That's the Menjangan Island, and there's about, I would say, about 4 to 5 resorts all around this national park. So this is the famous Menjangan Island and surrounded by dive sites, and tomorrow I will be diving. So enjoy. Check out Plataran. This is going to the resort here in the National Forest of Bali in Menjangan. Abiyata, yan. Yung sa likod ng mga flags. Berna. Ganda. So another interesting resort. And it's called Plataran Menjangan Resort and Spa. Let's go to the lobby. Ganda ng mga flags. So let's enter. It is supposed to be the lobby of this very nice resort. And it says, "Welcome home." This resort looks nice. Okay, thank you. Wow. It's so nice to have dinner here. However, it's low tide right now. Water doesn't look so nice, but it's still okay. And here you have a little bit of the sunset. And you get to see parts of Menjangan Island and the Java volcano. And that's the dining area, where you can enjoy the sunset. It would be nice to have dinner here. Oh, that's Berna. So they also own Menjangan Eco Lodge, West Valley National Park. Okay, let's go, Berna. So ditong parking. Okay, let's park. Galing naman dito, the Lodge Nature Environment. Oh, may sign, World Top Safari Stays. Oh, maganda rin, ha? Okay, let's go. Maganda rin siguro accommodation dito kasi ano panay nature. Oh, ang cute naman dito, oh. Siguro sa gabi may nagbo-bonfire sila dito, oh. Galing, ano. So marami ring mahilig talaga sa ganitong lifestyle. Oh, may ano pala, oh, merong view ng beach. Bakit parang walang tao, no? Wala ba naka-check-in ngayon dito? Check mo, Berna, kung pwede rin kumain dito. Is there food? Can you eat here?
No. I'm sorry.
No food?
We don't have food.
No food here?
Yeah.
So, where do you stay? Where's the Eco Lodge? Where do you stay?
This is the Eco Lodge, but if you want order the food, you can go to the Octagon or...
Okay. But where's the lodge?
The lodge?
That one at your back?
The room, you mean?
Yeah, the room.
The room, we have the...
Huh?
Over there.
Oh, over there.
So
Also here.
Yeah.
So those are the rooms. I see. No visitors?
Right now, it's no guests.
No guests right now. Oh, okay. Pero maganda. Maganda siya, oh. Are the rooms air conditioned?
Yeah.
May air. Oh, rooms para may air condition naman, eh. Pero walang guests. Ang ganda naman ang view. Wow, yung view ng bay, oh. Protected bay yan, eh. Yes, that's a protected bay. That's why there's so many yachts. They're actually hiding from typhoons or strong winds. Nice. So this is the Eco Lodge. And that one is the 5-star Dynasty Resort. The only 5-star. Wow. Ganda naman ang design nito. Wala lang ano. Wala lang nakatira. But the design is very, very nice. Huh? Rustic. Okay, matesting nga yung mga upuan niya. Sarap pala umupo rito. Sarap ng ganito yung walang tao. Parang sa yung buong resort. Okay, so there's a total of 18 rooms in this Eco Resort. Okay. Ganda. Mga bata, pwede rito. Kasi yung mga bata mahilig sa nature. Yung mga matatanda, hindi na pwede rito. Kasi maraming lakaran. Pero yung mahilig mag-hiking, the best. Alright, goodbye for now. We visit now the Octagon. Let's go inside. Still inside the National Forest. Uy, si monkey yan. Laki nga, no? Uy, dalawa sila. Dami mga unggoy.
Ano ba?
Ito na, si Octagon.
Da.
Parking area to, Berna. Yan, ano yata yan eh. Ibang resort na yan. Uy, may mga deer. Kaya tinawag na ano to eh. Menjangan kasi maraming deers. So, we'll probably have dinner here. Ayun, ang aming rented car. And now, we're entering the Octagon. Oh, wow. Mga usa. Yes. Marami dyan dito. Mga deer and monkeys. This is their home. Si Berna, kinukunan niya mga deer. So, ang may pangalan ng menjangan is a deer, Berna, no? Deer pala yung menjangan. Oh, busog na. Busog na sila. So, after the deer, shooting with the deers, let's check out the swimming pool. Ah, maganda. Maganda rin itong pool niya. Okay. Ganda rin. Uy. Wow, it's also an infinity pool, huh? Galing. Overlooking the bay. Yes, it's overlooking the bay. Ang dami namang ibon. Uhaw yung mga ibon, ah. Oh, umiinom sila, oh. Wow. So nice. Almost sunset. Almost sunset na, Madam Berna. Sarap umupo dyan, no? Sa likod mo. Dami yung mga trees din dito, oh. Alright. The Bay of Menjangan. Okay, ganda yung mga launch beds niya. So we came here to eat. So let's enter the restaurant. That's the restaurant, right?
Yes.
Okay, we can eat.
Welcome to Octagon.
Yes, yes. Okay, oh, nice. Oh,
Where do you stay, pa?
Menjangan Freestyle.
Or Menjangan
Freestyle Resort. The other
area
side.
here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, nice place, huh?
Okay.
It's like staying the beach, huh? Very sand.
Yeah.
Everything's sand, huh? Oh, wow. Galing naman ang pagkakagawa pala nito. Sandy area. Ayun, si Berna umakyat na. Yes. It's like eating in the beach. Ayun, si deer. Yes. They represent the resort. Yan ang Menjangan. Ganda. Ayun. Kumakain pa rin sila, oh. Yes. They're very protected here. Uy, Mukhang ano to mukhang antique na. Anyway, hanap tayo na mag-chill out. Oh, dito masarap mag-chill out. Higa muna tayo rito. Sa likod mga deers. Wow, sarap naman mag-chill out dito. So this area also has a second floor. And at night, it's all candles. Candlelight. Oh, ang ganda naman ang napili mong upuan, Berna. Ito, actually, maganda rin, no? Kita pa yung swimming pool, tsaka yung ocean. Ay, yung bay pala. Oh, mas gusto mo rito, Berna. Kasi nga naman, no? Mas maganda yung mga upuan. Okay. Let's have dinner. You know, one of the best is also they have a nice bar. Wow, very nice bar. Yes, everything looks nice. Perfect place to have dinner. Okay, so it's time to join Berna. So this is the place for dining. It's called the Octagon here at the West Valley National Park.